another episode of the Tech Wizard series, where you can find how to process and technical information, tips and shortcuts to take full advantage of the capabilities available within your Panasonic device. This is Vasant Thana. I am a principal software engineer with Panasonic. In this episode, we will cover about how to turn on settings with the manual dump as well as mini dumps. Disclaimer: the customer is liable to any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In this event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to the repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center.
Hi, so in this video we're going to go over how to set up your memory dumps and mini dumps to be created in the event of a blue screen of death or a certain process that kills the processing of the computer. So we will go to the search bar. We're going to search up System, and we're going to go to View Advanced System Settings. We're going to click on that. Then we're going to go to a setup here that says Startup and Recovery, and then it says System Startup, System Failure, and Debugging Information. We're going to click on Settings, and then we're going to click on Through and just make sure that everything is set up correctly. We're going to see that the default operating system is Windows 11. The time to display, it says 30 seconds. And then it says write in event to the system log, automatic restart. And then we're going to go through and see where it says writing debug information. There's a couple of information that is provided there for us. It says small memory dump, which is 256 kilobytes. We have the kernel memory dump, a complete memory dump, automatic, and active. I'm going to turn it to automatic just for these testing video. And then we're going to see where the dump file gets created. And then it says system root memory dump. And then it says overwrite any existing file, and we're going to leave that on. We're going to press OK. And then for the testing purposes of this video, we're actually going to kill a process on our computer. That way we can actually get a dump file from the computer. Now again, this is important that this is only done for training purposes and this is usually not an exercise to be done very frequently. So I'm going to kill the process. And now the computer is going to reboot back to the login screen. Now we're at the login screen. It's bringing us back. So now we're going to go ahead and go to the system root folder. So we're going to go here, system root. And then we're going to scroll down. And as you see here, at 12:33, which is when we killed the task, we actually see our memory dump file generated here. Now this memory dump file, to analyze it, we will be using WinDebug, which we will go ahead and showcase in the next video.